Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add location to your OnlyFans account. To do so, first of all, go into your Google Chrome browser and search for onlyfans.com and then log into your OnlyFans account. After that, you'll be on the home page of it, and here you can see my profile button on the left side of your screen. Go on to my profile and now click on edit profile again, and now scroll down until you see a box for location. Now you can input your location of your hometown or the place you're currently living in. And that's how you can edit your location on your OnlyFans account. This means for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.